Good afternoon, this is Ken at Nutley Nutley Kia. This is a recent arrival of a brand new 2015 Honda CR-V all-wheel drive. Very clean. Came up to us very recently. This car is really clean, new brakes, one owner car. Certified, that means that the powertrain warranty is up to 10 years and 100,000 miles. Nice interior. I'm going to open up the back for you. Really huge storage area. Just want to show you how nicely this car was maintained. It is Bluetooth. There is a backup camera and a spare tire. This is stock number KTL306A, and it's online for $15,000, and it could be yours today.